Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to set up a STEM room with multiple devices for the very first time. Let's get started. The first step is to connect our devices. You can connect each device to either a PoE Plus enabled Ethernet port or switch to provide data and power. In this room, I'm using a 4-port switch, but you can also use the active Ethernet ports going to the managed switch in your server room. Once your devices are connected, you'll know they're up and running as soon as you hear a chime from wall and from table. Ceiling's light ring will flash blue, and Hub's LED light will begin to rapidly flash and return to solid blue. Once your devices are turned on, you'll need to source the IP address from any device to access the STEM ecosystem platform. Depending on the current firmware of your devices, there's a few ways to do so. For table and wall devices, you can press the volume plus and volume minus at the same time for 5 seconds, and the device will read out its IP address. Once your devices have been provided an IP address from your DHCP server, you can log on to the STEM ecosystem platform by opening up a new web browser window and entering the IP address of your device. Logging into the device's HTML interface provides you the ability to make changes to any other STEM device within the network, as well as any configuration changes to your rooms and organization. When you access the STEM platform for the first time, a pop-up message will appear asking if you want to create an organization. Creating an organization is a security feature that keeps your rooms and devices password protected so that no one can make changes to your organization without your approval. When the message appears, click Yes. Then you will be asked to create an organization by adding an organization name and password of your choice. After your organization has been created, the device from the IP address used to access the platform will automatically be added to the organization. After creating your organization, you can add the rest of your devices. To do this, go into Ecosystem, click on Devices, and a list of your devices will appear. The device with the IP address you used to jump into the interface will be in black text, and the other devices will be in red text. Black text means the device belongs to the organization, and red text means the device does not belong to the organization. When you click on a device with red text, a pop-up message will appear. Click Yes and enter your organization password when prompted to do so. Once you've entered the password, your device will be added to the organization and you will be taken back to the list of devices in your network. Repeat this step for each device that does not belong to the organization with red text. Now that your devices have been added to your organization, you can now pair those devices to a specific room so that they'll act as one audio ecosystem. To create your room, go back to the main menu of the STEM platform by clicking the STEM logo on the top left corner. Then select Ecosystem, Rooms, and click Add Room. Click the pen and paper icon on the top right corner to rename your room. After your room is named, select Add Device and select all the devices you want to add. Once your room is created and your devices are assigned to that room, the next step is to run Room Adapt from within the STEM platform. This feature can be found in the Room Functions section of the Selected Rooms page. Pressing the Room Adapt button within the room will automatically begin testing and calibrating the STEM devices within that room. Each device will send out a sound to analyze the room's acoustics and automatically self-calibrate for optimal performance based on their placement in the room. Before running Room Adapt, your devices need to be set up in their desired locations, and make sure to run it again anytime a device is moved to a new location. Next, you'll want to use the Room Check tool to test the clarity of your voice from anywhere in the room. To initiate Room Check, you'll want to start by adding your room design layout with your devices placed in the same location in your design as in your physical room. After pressing Room Check, speak for 5 seconds. Once the recording is complete, a color-coordinated heat map highlighting the audio quality for different areas in the room will appear. And the last step is to test your ecosystem out. Don't forget to connect your hub to the video conferencing PC via the provided USB cable. Make sure your video conferencing application has STEM Hub assigned as your microphone and speaker. Our customer service team is more than happy to carry out a mock call to ensure all products are up and running smoothly. We use this call to answer any additional questions you may have or to assist you further with the install process. And now you have a fully functional STEM room and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.